Today I'm going to show you Good Earth Wallpaper by Asian Paint Nilaya, and the design is called Charbagh. The Charbagh is basically it's originating from Persia, and this charming style of gardens, also known as paradise gardens, spread from Morocco across Central Asia to India through the Mughals. The Charbagh series of wallpapers feature delicate floral within architectural elements such as jalis and chevrons that are typically decorated pillars and walls inside the charbagh. Means gardens and this collection of gardens in bloom. You can use these beautiful, amazing wallpapers in your bedroom, living room, drawing room, and it is basically a non-woven fabric range of wallpapers, beautifully designed by Good Earth Wallpaper and presented by Nilaya. If you want to know more about it, or if you want to see the catalog, you can call us in the numbers mentioned below. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you.